ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
The St. Joseph Services invites admission for MBBS in India and abroad. For more details, contact 94361 Ka Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides Shillong, kumshibenta ka jing Rakhe ka Foundation Day, mentausnem arajar arpuway. Haka kendai terik ubnai naiwing arajar arpuway, kala penlong ya ka jing ya kendo lang ha Baden Powell Auditorium Shillong, ha ka baki kena Scouts bat ki Guides, harangkat lang bat ki nongkit kam jong ka seng, ki badan ha ka district bat ka state level, kilawan bat ya shimbenta harangkat ka jing sakhilang jong Chief Electoral Officer ka Sarkar Jilla, upa FR Kharkongor ubalalong kumkongsan. Hakane ka jingilang lapun kuborom ki Scouts bat ki Guides, ki Rover bat ki Rangers, da ka Raja Puraskar Award, nang tadi ka jingpen scam dekot ya uti ringsai, u Joint Director bala Shongthai Jongkatana Directorate of School Education and Literacy ka Sarkar Jilla, kumu State Treasurer, ka jingpen kuborom ki Adult Leaders, ki bala Shakri ka seng de ki bon teliki snem, ha ki rukom bapher ha ka thong ban saindor ki khana Scouts bat ki Guides, but kumjuru but kintiu ya ka senghi habaro kiliang.
On my honor, I promise
and reaffirm
that I will do my best
to
do my duty
to
God and my country to help other people and to obey the Scout Guide law. Thank you, sir.
With a lot of resetting, so to say. I mean, our lives have been reset, and this is the new normal with us, wearing masks and having sanitizers and maintaining social distance. So this is the new normal. So, but in spite of these challenges, in spite of the fact that you all have had to withstand and you've had to confront and relearn and rework many activities, I know that for an organization like the Bharat Scouts and Guides, which depends on, on the social mobilization of young students, on having camps and on having programs together, not being able to have such such on-site programs, face-to-face programs, has been challenging. But we all have to learn to sort of adapt to the new normal. One of your most famous icons now is Bear Grylls. I think you all have heard of Bear Grylls. Young children, the younger members in particular, must have heard about Bear Grylls, must have seen his programs on TV. He's just come up with a new book called Never Give Up. So I think that is the real motto for the Bharat Scouts and Guides, that you must never give up in spite of the problems and the challenges that are there. We have to reinvent, we have to rethink on how we need to do the programs. I just heard from what Gary had just mentioned, the message from the National State Commissioner and from the Chief Commissioner that that there has been a move to have digital units. And I think that is the way forward also, because as we see, even schools also are still very tentative in opening their doors and classrooms, and rightly so, because children below 18 are still unvaccinated. They still are in the unvaccinated category, and for the for the children themselves, for the teachers, for the for the parents, it's still a very risky proposition to send students to school for the normal academic curriculum, leave alone various other extracurricular activities and other programs that are there. Even from the Election Commission, we have a program called Electoral Literacy Clubs. In fact, the Bharat Scouts and Guides has been kind enough to host one ELC corner here on the ground floor, which was inaugurated last year by the Chief Secretary. But after it was inaugurated, we've had very few programs because of the pandemic. However, we decided to start what are known as the online ELCs. So through online ELCs, we've had quite a growing community of young people, peer-led. It's not teacher-led, or it's not education institution-led, but it's peer-led. So when young people seek to connect with each other, it becomes more effective because we know that the young people are always online, they are digitally active, they are technologically savvy, so they are able to form bonds and build bridges through online activities. So in the same way, I am sure that from Bharat Scouts and Guides also they are exploring ways and means on how to build these digital communities through online mode. Uh, we hope that the situation normalizes and that there will be a time where we can have the activities which used to be held pre-pandemic, like your camps and your jamborees and many other such programs which help to bond, which help to build the bond between the young people. But however, till such time that we need to pause, we need to find ways and means on how to use technology to build these online communities of scouts and guides, and also various other platforms in which we can meaningfully engage the young people through the online electoral literacy clubs which we had set up. We had organized a host of competitions amongst various ALC groups in which young people could debate, express themselves through art forms, and also meaningfully participate in many other programs as well as competitions. So this also we used for the 75th year of India's independence. We all know that this is the 75th year of India's independence, Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav. I'm sure that the Bharat Scouts and Guides has also planned some activities, and also is in the process of planning for some programs for India's 75th year, which is the Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav. I'm sure that you will be joining hands, and that you have already, if you have not already joined hands with the rest of of the country. And we also have a very significant event, which is the 50 years of our statehood. I mean, Meghalaya's 50 years of statehood. I hope that that the Bharat Scouts and Guides will also actively participate in some manner, in some meaningful way, for the 50 years of India's. For the 50 years of our statehood.
Today, we mark the celebration and the award ceremony for our Scouts and Guides, receiving the Raja Puruskar as well as the Rovers and Rangers. This is the 19th Raja Puruskar rally that was held in the state. In the past, we had some difficulties of organizing such rally due to the inconvenience of the law and order situation across the state of Meghalaya due to militancy. However, we are back on track and we are able to conduct. Last year also we are unable to conduct the program due to the COVID-19 pandemic. However, we are again back on track. Dear brothers and sisters, the Bharat Scouts and Guides is a voluntary and educational movement to shape and build the character of young people by inculcating values of self-discipline, social service, and patriotism. The Scout movement, which was founded by Lord Baden-Powell in 1907, has now spread in many countries and territories affiliated to the World Organization of Scout Movement, which is 161 National Scout organizations in all, and the World Association of the Girl Guides and the Girl Scouts, which is 147 member organizations. The ideals of the movement are being practiced in many other countries who are awaiting attention. 7 November 1950 is a golden letter day in the history of Indian Scouting and Guiding. It is the day on which the Scouts and Guide associations come under the Unified National Organization for Scouts and Guides in independent India under the banner of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. In the year 2000, when we celebrated the Golden Jubilee of the foundation of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, it was decided to celebrate the day as a flag day of the Bharat Scouts and Guides to involve the community in celebrating the anniversary of the foundation by presenting a token flag to well-wishers of the movement and to receive contribution from them in support of the activities of the association. During the last 6.5 decades, the Bharat Scouts and Guides played a vital role in educating millions of young people in life skills and rendered human services to the community. Our services were recognized nationally and internationally. The Bharat Scouts and Guides was conferred with the Messenger of Peace Award by the United Nations in 1987. Our members have actively contributed their dedicated service during the pandemic COVID-19. They provide different types of support to community and local administration in ration and food distribution, mass preparation and distribution, sanitization, maintaining social distancing, entertainment and exercise to migrant shelter homes and community centers and lots of their activities.
I am here to remind you of the love that conquers all. You are the one that you've been waiting for. Be strong for me, I will be strong for you. We will share the light, share the light. We will share the light, share the light. When fates make there starts to be one, remember your sisters standing as one. Beyond every boundary, we shall sing a song. This is a promise, it's all we belong. I am here to remind you of the love that conquers all.